got a real dope wig today, y'all. I think it's dope. Child, I saw this wig and I said,
I'm about to be so fly.
I see some of your cousins want some of these braid wigs. I'm just saying. I was like, girl, yes.
Yes.
This better get so fly, bruh. If it gives what I think it's gonna give to Gabe, honey, I'm about to be super extra. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
So today I got a real dope wig today, y'all. I think it's dope. It looks dope on my mannequin. I'll say that, ma'am. It's actually two, but I'm gonna break it down. I'm not gonna do both in this video, okay? So I'm gonna bring you the first one. Let me tell you how I came into contact with this sister right here. Do you remember the micro million braid wig that I did? And it sold out in like 10 seconds. And a lot of people was like, oh my gosh, I want it. I cannot wait. So it just went crazy, right? Well, Miss Chisholm, she reached out to me and she was like, listen, I have these wigs and I think your cousins are going to like them. I said, well, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. That wig that I tried is really, like, it's super legit. So I'm going to have to just try it first and then let's go from there. Her approach was straight business. I love it. I love it. I love Black owned businesses. I love women owned businesses. I love it. So I was just like, come on now. Cause she reached out. She was like, I see some of your cousins want some of these braid wigs. You know, I'm just saying, I have some in my shop. So, I mean, whatever y'all have, however y'all want to handle it. And I got a whole bunch of braid wigs and I'm rather good with what I do. So, how you want to proceed with? I was like, girl. And then I looked at her products and her wigs and I was just like, yes. Because see, that's the thing. I want to have multiple options for you guys because creative people, they have their own little style and twang and their own little things that they put to it that may work for some people and not work for other people. And, you know, lace could be different. The type of hair used could be different. All kinds of things. So I want to make sure that I have options for you guys. So when you're looking for these braided wigs, you have some high quality options. Okay. So I am bringing you a wig from the Braid Factory. She actually sent me two wigs. One of them is the micro million braided wig, okay? And the other one is this like gray or silver gray bob braid wig or something like, y'all, I was like, I saw that one. I was like, yes.
Yes.
The way it works is you pick your colors, you pick your lengths, you have a lot of say-so in your finished product. The one that I'm going to show you today is a gray closure unit. It's between 12 and 14 inches in length. Now, I'm going to tell you like this. If it gives what I think it's going to give to Gabe, honey, I'm about to be super extra. I love the fact that it comes with this bag. So when you take it off, we're not flopping. You already know what time it is. So let me just show you. And I don't know. I may have to dip this. I don't know though. I just want to throw it on. Child, I saw this wig and I said,
I'm about to be so fly.
Cap size is a medium. It's a closure wig. Okay. Let me take all it's packaged really well. I'm just going to take the tag off. If you guys get tags attached to the lace, don't just pull the tag, y'all. Cut it and get it out that way. Because you can rip your lace like that. Okay. This is the wig, y'all. This is a bob wig. Look at these little tiny, are these twists or braids? Look how tiny. Look at this. Look at that. That is oh, this is the strip of lace. You see that right there. The part looks like a nice parting size. The cap does have stretch to it, but there are no combs. 100% hand braided, quality guaranteed, tightly and neatly braided for long use. Breathable, well ventilated cap. Oh, it does say additional elastic band is provided with your wig. I have been in both of these wigs, so I may have gotten it and just put it in the other bag, y'all. Please, this is not attached to the wig as customer does so if needed. You get to pick your size, small, medium, or large. You get to pick your length, You get to pick your color. You can either pick a single tone color or an ombre blend. Yes, you have a lot of options when it comes to this, okay? I saw this, I was like, man, this mannequin's so fly. This mannequin's so fly, bruh. And keep in mind, you don't have to get gray. So you pick your colors. I just wanted to come on and introduce this. I'm gonna put it on and see if I have to dip it or not. Big shout out to the Braid Factory. I think it's so dope that she reached out to me after seeing how many of you guys wanted these types of wigs. I think that's amazing. I think that was a smart business move. So big ups to her for that. And yeah, y'all, let's just see. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's just see. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. And let's see. Let's see what we're working with this. Let me see if it's gonna work out according to my plans. Let's see.